All right, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my fucking brutal, slamming, death metal tones. All right, so getting into it, we are rolling with a cheap Ibanez 7-string. I don't know, fucking RG something. It's the GO, it's cheap, it's like 300 bucks. I threw a Seymour Duncan something in the bridge. Now let's move on to the amp head. So the amp I'm rocking is a PRS MT15. It is the first generation. It is gnarly, always lead channel, never touch the clean channel. And then I'm running that into a Carvin Legacy 412 with vintage 30 speakers. And then running into the MT15 through 4-cable method, we have a Pod Go. And I will run you through what's going on in there. So on the pod, we have before the loop, we have a screamer, and then of course a noise gate running pretty heavy. And then after, this is where the magic happens, is a 10-band EQ. We're sucking out a lot of those low mids and mid-mids. And that's how we get that nasty kind of like slimy sound. So now I'll show you guys what it sounds like without the pod. So let's disable our effects here. So this is what it sounds like without the shit going on with the pod. You know, not bad, boxy, kind of like more modern. So then when we switch everything back on, we get that nasty, slimy sound. You know, pretty gnarly. So I hope that was of some help of how I get nasty, slimy tones. So leave a like, drop a comment, you know, do whatever you gotta do.